Mavic Air Fly More Combo. Let's see what is in the box. Hey, what's up guys? This is Keons tuning in from MC Square Productions, and today I'm really excited because we have purchased a new gadget to enhance our content production for next year, adding more value to our content and as well as our clients, brand videos, TV commercial, whatever it is. And this is the brand new Mavic Air Fly More Combo, fresh from the camera store, right? Let's see what is in the box, shall we? Here we go. There's a bag here. Yeah, I believe everything is in here. Let's switch the camera angle a little bit and let's see what is in this bag. So these are the stuff that comes with the Mavic Air Fly More Combo. Alright, that is all from me today, unboxing the DJI Mavic Air Fly More Combo package, and I'm very sure that on the coming days we will certainly produce great content with this little monster. Really handy, small, easy to carry and travel friendly. Alright, so upcoming, to get more from us, be sure to like our Facebook page, click the See First button, as well as subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell button to get first-hand notification from us for any further new contents, great unboxing, gadgets, whatever it is. So be sure to follow us, MC Square Productions. Ciao!